dear friends, welcome to Healthify channel. This video is a continuation of the first part of this video. In the first part, we taught 5 special and amazing tricks to reduce blood sugar, and in this video, we teach you 5 other tricks that help to reduce blood sugar. We sincerely thank you for being with us and caring about your health and our society. So, without delay, we go to continue the tricks. The 6th trick. Using herbs and spices that lower blood sugar. Some herbs and spices have blood sugar lowering properties. You can use these herbs in decoction, powder, extract or fermented form. Below we review some of these plants. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a famous spice that is used in various dishes. Cinnamon has compounds that lower blood sugar and increase insulin sensitivity. You can eat 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon daily or use its extract. Okra. Okra is a vegetable that is used in various dishes. Okra contains fiber, antioxidants and minerals that help control blood sugar and cholesterol. You can eat okra cooked, fried, dried or as an extract. Peppermint. Peppermint is a medicinal plant that is used in the treatment of many diseases. Peppermint has compounds that reduce blood sugar, inflammation and pain. You can eat peppermint in boiled form, powder or its extract. Cumin. Cumin is a spice that is used in various dishes. Cumin contains compounds that reduce blood sugar, blood pressure and cholesterol. You can eat cumin in the form of powder, boiled or its extract. Red flower. Rose is a beautiful and fragrant flower that is used in decoration and perfumery. Rose has compounds that reduce blood sugar, inflammation and anxiety. You can eat rosehip in boiled form, powder or its extract. Borage flower. Borage flower is a medicinal plant that is used in the treatment of many diseases. Borage flower has compounds that reduce blood sugar, blood pressure and cholesterol. You can eat borage flower as a decoction, powder or its extract. 7th trick. Make exercise your habit. According to a study published in 2017 in the Journal of Diabetes and Its Complications, the combination of aerobic exercise and muscle strengthening reduced fasting blood sugar, glycated hemoglobin or A1C, blood pressure and blood lipids in people with diabetes. This study was conducted using the data of 150 diabetic patients who participated in a clinical trial. How does exercise help your blood sugar? Exercise makes your muscles use more blood sugar and increases insulin sensitivity. To improve blood sugar health, it is recommended that you do at least 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise daily. For this, you can use activities such as walking, running, swimming, cycling, volleyball, football, etc. Of course, before starting any kind of exercise, be sure to consult your doctor and check your blood sugar level. 8th trick. Reduce stress. According to a study published in 2019 in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders, job stress increased the risk of type 2 diabetes in government agency workers. This study was conducted using the data of 150 employees of government organizations who participated in a research project. According to a study published in 2018 in the Journal of Psychosomatic Research, psychological stress decreased the production of insulin, the hormone responsible for the absorption of glucose by cells, in people with type 1 diabetes. This study was conducted using the data of 100 diabetic patients who participated in a clinical trial. How does stress affect your blood sugar? Stress causes stress hormones to be released in your body, increasing blood sugar and reducing insulin sensitivity. To reduce stress, you can use the following methods. Try deep breathing techniques, mindfulness, and yoga. Talk to your friends and family and ask for their support. Engage in fun and enjoyable activities and give yourself time. Avoid alcohol, smoking and drugs. And, if necessary, seek help from a psychiatrist or psychologist. Ninth trick. Drink green tea. What is the benefit of green tea for your blood sugar? Green tea contains antioxidants and minerals that help reduce blood sugar and prevent cardiovascular diseases. It is recommended that you drink at least 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily. For this, you can use fresh or dry green tea leaves and pour it with boiling water. Avoid adding sugar, honey or milk to green tea. 10th trick. Use food supplements. Some food supplements have blood sugar lowering properties. You can use these supplements as a supplement to your diet and exercise. Some of these supplements include magnesium, chromium, and L-carnitine. We will examine them in more detail below. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral substance that plays a role in the activity of insulin hormone and sugar absorption in muscles. Magnesium deficiency increases blood sugar and decreases sensitivity to insulin. It is recommended that you eat at least 250 to 350 milligrams of magnesium daily. You can use foods containing magnesium such as nuts, almonds, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, etc., or use magnesium supplement tablets. Chromium. Chromium is a rare element that plays a role in stabilizing blood sugar and increasing insulin sensitivity. Chromium makes your cells respond better to insulin and keep your blood sugar in a normal state. You can use foods containing chromium such as meat, eggs, cheese, oats, walnuts, etc., or use chromium supplement tablets. L-carnitine. L-carnitine is an amino acid compound that plays a role in fat metabolism and energy production. L-carnitine causes fats to be used as fuel for muscles and helps lower blood sugar and increase exercise tolerance. It is recommended that you eat at least 500 to 2,000 milligrams of L-carnitine daily. You can use foods containing L-carnitine such as red meat, fish, milk, etc., or use L-carnitine supplement pills. You can easily try these natural tricks to reduce blood sugar at home and enjoy their benefits. Of course, you need to know that these tricks are not a substitute for medical treatment and only act as an aid. To better manage diabetes, you should also follow your doctor's prescriptions and measure your blood sugar levels regularly. Now that the video is over, I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you also have diabetes? Have you used these natural tricks? Do you share your opinions, experiences and views with me? I would love to hear your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comments section. Also, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos on my channel about health, nutrition, beauty and healthy living that I'm sure you will find useful. So be sure to visit my channel and share your thoughts with me. I am Sophia and thank you for your attention. Until the next video, bye.